When comparing Remitly and Western Union for sending money to Mexico, both platforms offer distinct advantage tailored to different user needs. Here's an in-depth analysis to help you determine which service aligns best with your requirements. So let's start with Remitly. This one is a digital first transfers with competitive rates. When it comes to fees and exchange rates, talking about transfer fees, Remitly typically charges a flat fee of $3.99 for transfers under $1,000. Transfers exceeding this amount may qualify for waived fees. For exchange rates, Remitly applies a margin of 0.5% to 3.0% above the mid market rate, which is generally more favorable than Western Union's rate. Credit card payments an additional 3% fee for credit card transactions. Talking about speed and delivery options for Remitly, express transfers, funds can be delivered within 1 minute using a debit card. Economy transfers, bank account transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days. Delivery methods, options include bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallets. For user experience, Remitly also has this mobile application where you can download it on your phone. So Remitly's app is user-friendly, allowing for easy tracking and management of transfers. For customer support, in case you encounter some problems, it offers 24/7 customer service in both English and Spanish via phone and, of course, live chat. What are the pros and cons? Pros: transparent fee structure with competitive exchange rates, fast transfer options available, user friendly mobile application. Cons: higher fees for credit card payments. Economy transfers have longer delivery times. So that is for the Remitly. Now let's move on to Western Union. It is known for extensive network with diverse payment options. Talking about fees and exchange rates, transfer fees. Fees vary based on payment method, transfer amount, and delivery option. For instance, sending $200 via bank transfer might cost $5.99, while using a credit card could increase fees to $12.50. Talking about exchange rates, Western Union's exchange rate margins from 3% to 6% above the mid market rate, which is generally higher than Remitly's margins. Talking about speed and delivery options, transfer speed. Cash and debit card transfer can arrive in Mexico within minutes. Delivery method: recipient can collect funds via cash pickup at over 500,000 agent locations worldwide, including numerous locations in Mexico. For user experience, when it comes to mobile application, you can just download it using your Google Play Store or App Store. Western Union has enhanced its mobile application in Mexico, allowing users to send money conveniently. For customer support, it offers support through phone, email, live chat, and in person at agent locations. So, what are the pros and cons? The pros for Western Union: this one is extensive global network facilitating cash pickups. Like what I mentioned earlier, it has 500,000 agents as for now. Multiple payment and delivery options, enhanced mobile app for user convenience. But the cons: higher fees, especially for credit card payments, less favorable exchange rates compared to Remitly, and complex fee structure can be less transparent. Now let's move on to side-by-side comparison. So the feature is Remitly versus Western Union. For transfer fee, as you can see, there is this amount of $3.99 under $1,000 varies otherwise. For Western Union, it varies from $5.99 to $12.50 for $200 transfer, which is of course bigger than Remitly. Exchange rate margin, it's 0.5% to 3.0% above mid-market rate. and 3% to 6% above mid-market rate, which is, of course, bigger than Remitly. Transfer speed, I think it's the same thing. Minutes express, 3 to 5 days economy. Minutes cash debit, up to 5 days. Delivery methods, bank deposits, cash pickup, mobile wallet, cash pickup, bank deposit, and mobile wallet. Mobile app, user friendly with tracking features. Enhanced app with broad functionality, which means more advanced than Remitly. Customer support, 24/7 via phone and chat. This one is phone, email, chat, and in person, which do you think is way better? Global reach, 150 plus countries. But for Western Union, you can send 200 plus countries, and also it has 500,000 plus Asian locations. So I think for this time, I strongly suggest Western Union if you want to send money to Mexico. This one is best for digital savvy users seeking for low fees, but this one is users needing cash pickups and flexibility. So for the final verdict, choose Remitly if you prioritize lower fees, better exchange rates, and a digital first experience. It's ideal for users comfortable with online transactions and those seeking cost effective transfers. You choose Western Union if you require a cash pickups, in-person support, or are sending to recipients without bank accounts. Its extensive network and diverse delivery options offer greater flexibility. Ultimately, your choice should align with your specific needs, considering factors like transfer speed, cost, delivery method, and recipient preferences. But as of now, I think if you want to send money to Mexico, there are tons of agents for Western Union that can help you. And also, it can reach 200 plus countries. But if it's possible to send through Remitly, which of course it has lesser fees, then you can try this one too. But for final thought, if you want to maximize your money and send it fast and digitally, go with Remitly. But if your recipient requires in person cash collection, Western Union is still unmatched in reach. So, for most digital users in the coming years, Remitly is a smarter, faster, and cheaper solution. For Remitly, it is best so for lower fees, more competitive exchange rates, fast express option, clean user-friendly app, ideal for digital savvy senders, go for Remitly or Remitly Wins. But for unmatched global agent network, reliable for recipients without bank accounts, supports in-person, phone, and app-based transfers, and still one of the most accessible services worldwide, I think Western Union still matters. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.